Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best value solar panels available on the market today. Whether you're a camper, RVer, or someone looking to go off-grid, these options will give you the most bang for your buck. You can find links to all the products in the description below if you want to check them out further. So let's dive in and start the countdown. At number 5, we have the SOLPERK Solar Panel Kit 20-watt 12-volt. This compact yet powerful solar panel is perfect for maintaining 12-volt batteries in vehicles, boats, RVs, or even lawnmowers. What sets it apart is its high conversion efficiency, with rates between 21% and 30%, meaning you get more power even in less than ideal conditions. The kit includes a smart charge controller that prevents overcharging, short circuits, and other battery-related issues, making it ideal for long-term use without supervision. The SOLPERK panel is built to last, with a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and tempered glass surface that can withstand harsh weather, including snow loads up to 5,400 pascals and wind loads up to 2,400 pascals. The adjustable mounting bracket allows for a 360-degree angle adjustment, ensuring optimal sun exposure. However, at just 20 watts, this panel is more suited for trickle charging rather than powering devices directly. While the SOLPERK is incredibly durable and affordable, its lower wattage limits its use cases. It's best for those who need a reliable trickle charger for maintaining batteries rather than running electronics. Pros include its robust build and easy installation, but on the downside, it's not suitable for high-power applications. Overall, it's a great entry-level solar panel for basic battery maintenance. Coming in at number 4 is the MARBERO 100-watt portable solar panel. This foldable, lightweight panel is perfect for camping and outdoor enthusiasts who need portable power. With an impressive greater than 23% conversion efficiency, it ensures reliable energy production even in cloudy conditions. The MARBERO panel is designed with multiple output options, including USB-C, QC 3.0 USB-A, and a DC port, making it compatible with a variety of devices such as smartphones, tablets, and power stations. Its ETFE coating and IP68 waterproof rating make it durable for outdoor use. The foldable design, weighing just 6 pounds, is compact enough to carry like a laptop, while the adjustable kickstands allow you to optimize its angle for maximum sunlight absorption. While it's not designed to store power, this panel excels at providing portable energy for on-the-go needs. The MARBERO is incredibly versatile, but it's worth noting that its controller and connection box aren't waterproof, so some extra care is required in wet conditions. It's an excellent choice for outdoor adventurers, but may not be the best option for those looking for a more robust, stationary panel. Pros include its lightweight build, high efficiency, and wide compatibility, while the cons are its lack of storage and the need to protect certain components from water. In the third spot, we have the SOLPERK 100-watt portable solar panel. This panel boasts a high conversion efficiency of 23.5%, making it one of the most efficient options available in its price category. Its ETFE coating offers excellent durability and weather resistance, with an IP67 waterproof rating, ensuring it can withstand rain and harsh outdoor conditions. Like the MARBERO, it features multiple output options, including USB-A, USB-C, and DC ports, making it highly versatile for charging a variety of devices. What sets the SOLPERK apart is its user-friendly design. It's lightweight at just under 10 pounds and features a magnetic handle for easy transportation. The foldable design and adjustable kickstands allow for quick and simple setup, making it perfect for camping, RV trips, and emergency power outages. However, like many foldable panels, it doesn't store power, so you'll need a compatible power station to make the most of its capabilities. The SOLPERK is a well-rounded option that offers excellent performance and ease of use, but its higher weight and price compared to similar panels might be a drawback for some users. Pros include its high efficiency, rugged build, and versatile outputs, while its cons are its slightly heavier build and the lack of power storage. At number 2, we have the Renogy 2PCS solar panels, a set of two 100-watt panels designed for off-grid applications like RVs, boats, and rooftops. With a 22% conversion efficiency and advanced PERC cell technology, these panels offer reliable power generation for long-term use. Their durable design includes tempered glass, corrosion-resistant aluminum frames, and IP65 weatherproofing, making them capable of withstanding snow, rain, and extreme heat. What makes these panels stand out is their compact and lightweight design. They are 8 to 10% smaller and lighter than traditional rigid panels, making installation easier and more flexible. Pre-drilled holes on the back of the panels allow for quick mounting, and they are compatible with a variety of Renogy mounting systems. While the Renogy 2PCS panels are more suited for permanent installations, their performance and build quality make them a strong contender for anyone looking to set up a medium-power solar array. Pros include their high efficiency, robust construction, and compatibility with various mounting options. On the downside, they lack the portability of foldable panels and require additional components like a charge controller for optimal use. Finally, at the top of our list is the Renogy 200-watt portable solar panel. Priced at $194.39, this foldable and portable solution is ideal for campers, RVers, and anyone who needs a powerful on-the-go solar setup. With a conversion efficiency of 23.5%, it provides excellent energy production, even in less than ideal conditions. Multiple output ports, including USB-C, USB-A, and a solar connector, allow you to charge multiple devices simultaneously, making it incredibly versatile. The Renogy 200-watt stands out for its durable yet lightweight design. Weighing just under 17 pounds, it folds down to a compact size for easy transportation and storage. The IP65 waterproof rating ensures it can handle splashes and dust, though it's not designed for prolonged exposure to heavy rain. Its magnetic design and pre-drilled mounting holes make setup a breeze, whether you're tying it to an RV roof or setting it up at a campsite. Overall, the Renogy 200-watt portable solar panel is the ultimate blend of power, portability, and durability. While it's slightly heavier compared to smaller panels, its high wattage and versatility make it a standout choice for those who need reliable off-grid power. Pros include its high efficiency, durable design, and multiple output options, while the cons are its higher weight and price compared to smaller, less powerful panels. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right solar panel for your needs. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about the products, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, happy solar shopping.